Hi, Julio.
Hindi napigilang mapareact ng ilang mga celebrities na kaibigan ni Jelly de Belen nang ibahagi nga ni Jelly ang ilang mga videos na kung saan ay sinurpresa niya ang kanyang dalawang anak na nasa Canada. Kinuwento ni Jelly na malapit na ang birthday ng kanyang anak na si Julio at magto 25 years old na nga ito. Kaya naman ilang sorpresa ang kanyang ginawa at talaga namang priceless ang reaction ng kanyang mga anak. Kwento ni Jelly, Julio is turning 25 in a few days and I decided to surprise him in Hawaii so we can celebrate his birthday together. Here is what happened. They both watched the World Series with their friends so they weren't together kaya magkahiwalay ang videos ng surprise. Julio was told he had to pick up bread from my sis-in-law's house to bring home for his lola. We couldn't go home from the airport because we didn't have keys since the boys were out, so getting Julio to pick me up was the best option. Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen na paiyak dahil matatandang ikinuwento ni Jelly na kailangan niyang iwan muna ang mga anak sa Canada at makapag-aral doon habang may mga trabaho nga si Jelly sa Pilipinas. Kaya naman ayon sa kanila, napakasarap na makita na parang kapatid na lang ni Jelly ang mga anak at very sweet nga sa isa't isa.
Hi!
Mom?
What's going on, diba? What's going on? You wanna give me a kiss in the house? You're so cold. Why are you so cold? Hi, Julio.
That's the bread.